What's up, y'all? It's after dark. So, God said, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. We walk through the valley of the shadow of death. We got to walk through it. Okay? Everything that's coming, trying to oppose you, is a distraction. You got to keep walking. Keep walking. Don't let nothing stop you. Keep walking. All these obstacles and stuff, they not obstacles for real. They hurdles. Get over them. An obstacle stops you, but you could jump over a hurdle. And I know you got the power, you got the capability, you got the wherewithal to jump over that jump or run through that shit. You know what I'm saying? Don't let this mess get to you. Don't forget who you are. It's 2024. Yeah, that's over with in a couple hours. So you gonna go into the new year with the same mindset? Or you gonna go in and you gonna go hard? No more excuses, bro. A lot of us turn 40, or we turning 40 this year. Like, y'all can't keep using these same excuses about what your family did to you and what somebody else did to you and all that stuff as a reason to hold you back, or what somebody said they were gonna do but they didn't, and now you ain't doing it. No, keep going, keep walking. Keep walking. Everybody ain't gonna be able to help you. So keep walking. God gave you the vision. He ain't gonna put more on you than you can bear. All right? You cast that net. You threw that net out there. Everybody ain't gonna catch on. Some of them are. And you can't be worried about the ones who didn't catch on. All right? You got many, many, many around you. That's what the word say. That word said that it was many soldiers, many angels around him, and they were greater than what was visually seen. So you got a squad behind you. You got a clique of angels behind you, ready to war on your behalf. They with you. God with you. We gotta go. We got to go, bro. We gotta go. All right? New year, new you. Stick to it. New year, new you. New year, new me. I'm not gonna keep making these same mistakes and all that other stuff. All right? Some of y'all got some decisions and choices to make. Just because you started out as a deadbeat don't mean you got to stay one. You know you doing wrong, do right. All right? Get your shit together. You got kids. Your parents need to see you. Like, family need to see you. No more excuses. Oh, you saw the fireworks? No more excuses. All right? Stop getting distracted. It's time to go. It's time to go. You said you want to make millions. Making millions requires millions of work. Okay? Millions of hours of faith. Millions of hours of trusting. Millions of hours of you doing what you said you was going to do for God. And you know, as long as you delight yourself in him, what he going to do? What the word say? Delight yourself in the Lord, and he'll give you the desires of your heart. Are you delighting yourself in the Lord? Or are you thinking about your problem?